because knowledge is power.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a Raspberry Pi PC. First, I'll have a little unboxing here for you. This particular set comes with everything you need apart from the software. Here you have your power cord and your heat sinks, the HDMI hookup, your cooling fan and your power button, the case and micro SD card. This one is a 32 gigabyte. This box also comes with a small device to flash the OS onto your memory card. Comes with the Pi itself, some instructions and paperwork. Firstly, we're going to open everything up. This particular build is a gift from my sister, and it makes for a great schoolwork tool for kids. Basically, it's just a Chrome box with a few extra steps. The model I've chosen has 4 gigabytes of RAM, but they have up to 8 gigabytes. In some models, the Pi can be ran with 2 monitors. There are 2 hookups for it, but I chose just a single monitor. Next, we need to put the heat sinks in place. This is going to prolong the life of your device, so it's pretty important. Each heatsink has a sticker on the back to peel off, and then just place each heatsink on the places I do and push. They should adhere very quickly. Next, we'll take out our SD card and the flashing device and put the card inside. And then we're going to assemble the case. Firstly, by putting the cooling fan into the top. The fan should just click into place and the pins will go into the Raspberry Pi. But first, put the Raspberry Pi into the bottom of the case and then affix the middle piece over the top of the outlets. It should just click into place. Then you want to take your cooling fan pins and put them in. With the USB ports facing you, the GPIO pins will pin into the second from the top on the right, that being the red, and the third from the top on the right being the black. Then we'll fix the top of the case, which also just clicks into place. Next, we're going to go to Raspberry Pi downloads. Just search it in Google, it should be the top result. And then we'll download the imager. Choose your operating system and download. It'll take a minute, but once it's downloaded, just open it up, choose the operating system you want. I just chose the standard 32-bit Raspberry Pi OS, and choose your SD card. You want to make sure that this is your only SD card plugged in and only thing plugged in, because if you accidentally choose anything else, it will wipe the memory. Then just flash the system to it. This will take a while, but eventually it'll tell you it's ready. And then all you have to do is set the Pi up on your desk. Plug into the wall. Plug power in. Thank you to my nephew here for helping. Put your SD card in. Plug the power button in. Mouse and monitor and keyboard all plugged in. Then press the power button. Your screen will remain black for some time, but this only happens the very first time you boot up your Raspberry Pi. Eventually, a setup screen will pop up. There are a few system steps to go through. You'll want to make sure your language, keyboard, and time zone are all set to US and English. If you keep the keyboard on the UK language, it may mess something up because there are different keyboards in the UK. Your password is automatically Raspberry Pi, so go ahead and change that to anything you want. I just want to say thank you guys for checking me out. This is just a quick tutorial. I have a couple others in mind for Raspberry Pis. If you liked the video, consider subscribing. Comment down below if you've made your own or any questions you have and I can help you out. Thanks for watching, guys.